Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Dart Counter and ensuring you have the correct game profile. Open or create a match, choose starting score and player count, and set the scoring rules so inputs record properly. Connect a physical counter or enable keyboard input next, then map buttons to numbers like 120 and bull. Once done, run a quick calibration round to confirm hits register. This early verification prevents scoring drift and lets you begin real rounds confidently. You record every throw as it happens to keep accurate turn history and averages. Tap the board segment or press mapped keys for singles, doubles, and triples. The counter updates totals and remaining score instantly. Once a bust occurs, the app rolls back that turn automatically, so make sure you understand how busts are handled. Use the highlights and stats overlays to spot checkouts and high scores, because this visual feedback helps you adjust strategy mid-match and improve pacing. You finish by closing the match and saving results so nothing is lost. Export the CSV or share the match link to analyze checkouts, averages, and turn timelines later. Once saved, review key metrics to learn what to practice next. If scores look wrong, first recalibrate your input device, then restart the app. If problems persist, restore the session from autosave. That single troubleshooting step will recover most discrepancies and keep your data accurate for future improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.